Estates-based initiatives, or EBIs, are a way that local tenants and residents can have a direct say in improving their neighbourhood. People can come up with their own suggestions for improvement projects in their area and put them forward to the council for consideration. EBI projects should follow a simple criteria. They must be on land owned by the council's housing service with the aim to improve the local environment, contribute to community safety, or create opportunities for further involvement in community participation. Here are some examples where small projects have had a big impact on people's lives.
Unbelievable what difference one tree made to my life and the kids. We couldn't sit out the front on the step because we got no direct sunlight. The tree blocked it completely, and it got to the stage that the path was uneven. We had to relay the path. It blocked the sun at the back of the house as well, and it encroached on the two neighbours either side as well. But what a difference since it's taken down. Through the initiative, we got in touch with them, we got some funding, and we got a lot of support from them for they came round, took photographs before and after, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without them.
Well, the parking was quite bad because there's 48 houses in the building, 48 flats, and at times you get double parked in front of the garages. So we had a meeting with the ladies in the council, and the result was we got 6 new parking spaces, which we're very pleased with, and it has made a difference. And also the fact that they've used part of the green means that they haven't spoilt the actual surroundings. And with help from the estate-based initiative, which we really appreciate because it's very difficult to get funding for these sort of things.
We regularly hold neighbourhood walkabouts around Perth and Kinross, where tenants and residents have the chance to meet with the EBI team, put forward their ideas, and talk about what can be done to improve the community. If you want to get involved in an EBI walkabout in your area, or if you have an idea for an improvement project, please contact your local EBI tenant and resident participation worker, or simply call 01768 776 780.